Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Different animals produce different kind of sounds, and these sounds they are represented by different words in a language. Same is the case with English language. For example, the sound of a dog in English is represented by the word bark. A dog barks and a lion roars. Bark here is the sound of dog and roar is the sound of lion. It is a good idea to learn some of these sounds. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example. मिसाल के तौर पे आप एग्ज़ाम में बैठे हैं और आपको ट्रांसलेशन के लिए क्वेश्चन दिया गया है जिसमें एक फ़िक्रा है गीदड़ चीखते हैं। आपको इस फ़िक्रे का स्ट्रक्चर भी पता है, आपको इसका टेंस भी आता है, लेकिन अगर आपको गीदड़ के चीखने का करेक्ट वर्ड पता नहीं है तो फिर आपके लिए इसको ट्रांसलेट करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। आप क्राई वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो असल वर्ड है गीदड़ के चीखने के लिए इट इज़ हाउल, द जैकल्स हाउल। आप कोशिश करते हैं मैं क्राई यूज़ कर लूँ, द जैकल्स क्राई और द जैकल्स मेक साउंड, लेकिन ये दोनों वर्ड्स फिट नहीं बैठ रहे जैसे इन्हें बैठना चाहिए। इससे हमें अंदाज़ा हो जाता है कि समटाइम्स इट इज़ गुड टू नो साउंड्स which are produced by different animals. So let's try to understand some of the sounds, and this is the topic of our today's discussion. Let's begin. The first word that we are going to learn is the sound produced by a donkey. A donkey brays. The sound of donkey is bray. Similarly, the sound of a horse is neigh. Neigh. A donkey brays and a horse neighs. The sound of elephant is trumpet. Trumpet is the sound of elephant. The sound which is produced by a cow is moo. Moo. Whereas a cat mews. A cow moos and a cat mews. Similarly, the crow caws. The sound of a crow is caw. Caw. The sounds which are produced by other animals, birds as well. For example, a duck quacks. The sound of duck is quack. Similarly, bees buzz. The sound of bees is known as buzz. And a frog croaks. The sound of a frog is known as croak. And lastly, the sound of snake is known as hiss. Hiss. Hiss is the sound of a snake. In the end, I would like to thank all of you, and especially to a very close friend of mine, because he is the one who gave the idea of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.